This is the elevator at the Ramada by Wyndham, downtown Anchorage. Took me a minute to find this because I kind of got confused. Here it is. Let's go up to 3. Oh, another Thyssenkrupp impulse. Never mind. It works, but I can barely hear it. All right, let's get a cab view. This thing's okay. Little dirty. One of the light covers is missing. Fan right out in the open. 2,100 pound capacity. Door close does not work. The indicator works, it's just very faint. Door does not close when you push the button. And here we are at 1, or just L. And there it goes. That'll be it.